If your knee hurts when you walk, climb stairs, or stand up, this video will show you simple things you can do starting today to reduce that pain. This is general information only. Check with your doctor before starting any new exercise. Most knee pain in older adults is not just the knee joint. It's usually weakness in the muscles around it, especially your thighs and hips. When those muscles are weak, your knee takes more of the load every time you move. Start with this simple movement. Sit in a chair, then stand up. Try not to use your hands if you can. Then sit back down slowly and under control. Do about 5 to 10 repetitions. This strengthens the exact muscles you use every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs. Next, lie on your back with one leg straight. Lift that leg about a foot off the ground. Hold it briefly, then lower it slowly. Do 8 to 10 repetitions on each leg. This builds strength without putting pressure on your knee joint. Now slow your walking down. Take shorter steps and stay upright. Focus on control instead of speed. This reduces impact on your knee and helps retrain better movement. The biggest mistake is doing nothing because of pain. Total rest makes the muscles weaker, and that usually makes the knee worse. The goal is controlled movement, not no movement. Start with these 3 exercises daily, and you should begin to notice improvement within a couple of weeks. I'll be sharing more simple ways to stay strong and mobile.